There is no way to avoid pain, especially if you have ambitious goals. If you approach it correctly, you're lucky to feel that kind of pain because it is a signal that you would have to find solutions so you can progress. If you can develop a reflective reaction to emotional pain that causes you to reflect on the pain rather than avoid the pain, you will see how much more effective it is to face the painful realities caused by your problems, mistakes, and weaknesses. I don't think you would want to do things any other way. It's just a matter of getting into the habit. When people are in pain, they have a difficult time reflecting. They tend to focus on other things when the pain subsides. As a result, they miss out on the lessons provided by reflection. If you can think clearly while in pain, which is probably too much to ask, that is great. But if you can remember to reflect after the pain is gone, that is even better. I am currently developing a pain management app to assist people with this, which I will describe in these sections. The challenges you face will both test and strengthen you. If you are not failing, you are not pushing your limits. And if you're not pushing your limits, you're not maximizing your potentials. However, this process of pushing your limits, sometimes failing, sometimes breaking through, is essential to maximizing your potentials. Your failure and successes are not for everyone. If it is right for you, it can be inspiring and pleasurable. Such moments will inevitably come your way in life, and it will be up to you to decide whether you want to come back for more. If you choose to push through this often painful process of personal evolution, you will naturally progress to higher and higher levels as you climb above the storm of things that surround you. You will realize that they appear larger than they really are when you see them up close. That most things in life are just another one of those. The higher you rise, the more effective you become at shaping realities to achieve your goals. What appears to be impossibly complex becomes simple when you learn to understand your realities and embrace your realities. Thank you, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Things and Things channel.